to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how excavators are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Loads. The chassis and boom frames are constructed using advanced automated welding, meticulously fusing thick steel.
Check the welding precision on line 3. We have a slight heat fluctuation.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the flow regulator now.
Each excavator is refined and tested for strength, safety, and performance. Every excavator is thoroughly tested before leaving the facility.
And that's how excavators are made, from start to finish.
Welcome flight. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how an excavator works on the ground, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Hydraulic control is achieved through precise movements. As I push the left joystick forward, the system pressure increases smoothly.
Each movement is carefully controlled for accuracy and safety.
Every machine is inspected to ensure reliability and safety.
And that's how an excavator works on the ground. Live Birddale, from start to finish.